Drone delivery revolutionizing logistics. Drone delivery has been a hot topic for years, and in 2024, it's set to become a mainstream solution for businesses and consumers. Major companies like Amazon and Google are testing these services, and as drone technology improves, the scale and scope of deliveries will expand significantly. Drones offer a faster, cheaper, and more eco-friendly alternative to traditional methods, poised to revolutionize logistics and last-mile delivery. One key advantage is speed. Drones can bypass traffic and navigate urban areas, delivering packages in minutes instead of days, ideal for essentials like medicine or groceries. They also serve rural areas, ensuring essential goods reach locations where conventional methods struggle. Environmental benefits are another plus. Drones are typically electric, making them a more sustainable option compared to fossil fuel-powered trucks. As companies aim to reduce their carbon footprint, drone delivery could become the preferred choice for eco-conscious businesses. As regulations evolve, we'll see drones buzzing through cities, delivering packages to homes, businesses, and autonomous lockers. The future of logistics is airborne, with drones leading the way toward a faster, greener, and more efficient delivery system.